Welcome to White Bear Lincoln, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with driver attention alert system, available Google connected in-car apps, acoustic laminated windshield, steering wheel mounted voice control, auto stop start, cross traffic alert, wireless Bluetooth data link, dual front knee airbags, dual front air conditioning zones, rear parking sensors, and much more. Since 1978, family-owned White Bear Lincoln has been providing our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing experience around. We provide a friendly atmosphere where you know you're getting the best service because we care about our customers. Our knowledgeable staff is here to make sure that you find a vehicle that is just right for you. Our online reviews say it all. Come see for yourself why so many happy customers choose White Bear Lincoln.